mira. Mira, papi, mira, papi. Mira, papi, mira.
Oh, right in the head. Aren't they cute?
Just one of you do it.
He does it. I want that little baby for a Oh. You just want his face.
Oh! Hannah, look.
Japanese tiger shift. It sounds like what it is.
Like 8, 10 of these, and those Bengal tire.
You guys cleaning your paws. Huh?
Say hi, kitty, kitty.
Jack, look behind you.
That's like almost not cool.
Ava. Ava.
Don't.
Ava.
Mom, give me a video. Coach him.
Throw it.
How to throw it.
Leah.
You gotta watch your hands.
Wait, stay there.
Wait,
We gotta stay there.
Let me stay back. Did you see that, Mom?
I see. I'm right here, buddy. I see.
Here it comes again. Here it comes. Ah! Puppy!
Holy cow.
It's a tiger growling.
Nope.
Go ahead, get back up there, Si.
Say hi, monkey.
Move, Mac.
How are you supposed to stand that? Huh?
You just the cutest thing.
You have food. I know you do.
Ow! What the freaking heck? That was not nice.
Oh, got this guy up too.
Ooh.
You got both of them. They're putting on a good show here.
What's he doing? Oh! He's going to me. Oh my goodness. Ah! He's going to me. Don't leave me. Oh my goodness.
He thinks there's something in there.
Casey, look here.
Another one. Ready? No, 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 no. This one.
Reaction.
You want to come back here?
Here he goes. Oh, no.
Go, Eddie. Get up on the window.
Levi sits he keeps hitting him like he's trying to get all the way.
Go the other way. He's following you. Stay there.
Now turn and face me. Turn around.
That's so funny. Lift it up and down, Harper. That's funny.
Up and down.
How did he bite you?
This is like following me.
Wow, I did a backflip.
You.
Ready?
Nice kisses. Oh, I know. You'd be very nice. Oh, and then love, and then a hug.
It's nice of you to share with all the animals. There you go. Let him have a drink.
Pick it up. Whoa.
Charles. Charles, come.
Look, there he is.
Do it again, Jake.